Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. In this video, I will let you know how you can, if you want to reduce the noise any of your video, how you can do and which app work perfectly for me. It's working. Just go to the Play Store and you need to type noise reducer. You need to install this app. MP3, MP4, and all formats are available. I have already installed this. You can update this. I don't want to update this app as it will take time. So once you install here, you need to click on noise reducer. You need to open this app. Once you will open, it will appear look like this. How to use this? What you need to do? You need to first import file. You can even noise just the audio. If you want to denoise the audio, you can just click on video and here it will appear all. As I have this, I will select this. I have already made a sample video to denoise. As you can see now, it's free of cost, but once you will utilize some minutes, then it will give you error. Minimize the app, this one. So I don't know how much points I have. Once you will use all the points, it will give you that you don't have much point. You need to view a ad for 5 seconds or its maximum like a 30-second ad, and you can add more minutes. Okay, I will okay, and here it's appearing now. So now just you need to import this app. Now you can see, let me play original one.
It's just a testing video and I'm testing this video.
Now you have here the noise for original. Now let's play the noiseless.
It's just a testing video and I'm testing this video.
You can feel the difference, but it's like I'm walking and recording this video at the time. Now you need to do save as. So here you want to save just the audio, video, both options are available. MP4 is the fastest. You need to just click on MP4. See, now it's saying balance 3 minutes. Now what it means I can edit a 3 minute video. Suppose if I want to denoise the video for more than 3 minutes, I need to watch the ad at the time when I will save this. That's it. You can, if you want to purchase a pro version, you can purchase this as well, and you can see different options. What you will get in the premium feature, no ad, and even you will get more format as well, unlimited denoise. It's all up to you as you want to use this. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.